Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today I did not want to make this type of video, but I think it's an important type of video that I should be making. So if you guys haven't heard already about the COVID-19, well, you probably already heard about it. It's spreading around the world really fast, and I want to share with you guys how you can take care of yourself, and your phone as well. How to clean it properly and everything. Because it's important to keep your phone clean, since we are humans. We touch a lot of stuff, and then of course we touch our phones because we use our phones every single day. And I just want to share with you guys how you could keep that phone clean from other stuff that might be on your phone. So first off, you're okay to use, if you have an iPhone. Apple did announce that yes, you're allowed to use wipes, but don't use it too much, the wipes on your phone, since it will take away, how do you call it, the chemical that's used to keep your screen from keeping the fingerprints on the screen. So just be careful when you're using the alcoholic wipes. One of my recommendations is that you can use some screen protectors, a clear one, of course. So first off, of course, you'll want to install this. You'll want to install a clear screen protector, and then you can maybe use the alcoholic wipes all over the screen protector, so like that it doesn't damage the screen itself, and of course the chemical that it uses to keep your fingerprints keep your fingerprints away from the screen, I mean. And so yeah, it's a smart idea, of course. Just one way, of course, that if you want to use the alcoholic wipes, and Apple did say it is okay to use it. Just don't use too much of it on your phone, of course. It is okay, but of course I recommend you use a screen protector first, and then you could clean it with alcoholic wipes, of course. Before, I used to clean my phone with alcoholic wipes without it, but then I thought of an idea of using the screen protector and then cleaning it over. So that's what I do now, most of the time, whenever I'm cleaning my phone, which you should do a lot. Now, another thing is a case. So you can use any other case, of course. It doesn't have to be this exact case, but just a case like that. If you want to clean your phone with some cleaning products like an alcoholic wipe, you don't damage the phone itself. You could just clean the case around the back, and then should be safe, of course, and not have to damage your phone. So that's one thing that I do, of course, is I just clean the case, and then I just put my phone inside the case, and then I should be okay. Now, if you don't want to take the risk, of course, of using the alcoholic wipes, which of course you do not want to take a risk if you have an iPhone, of course, it is an expensive product. You could use a product like Woosh. So they're really popular on Amazon. I've had this for 1 year now. I've been using their product for 1 year, and it's really useful. So this is non-alcoholic, and it's ammonia free, and it cleans your phone 99%. So it's pretty simple, of course. You could just use a cloth. So it comes with a anti-microfibric cloth. The company does provide one with it. And of course, you just spray this with the cloth, and then you use the dry side of it, and then just swipe it around your phone and on the screen, of course, which is safe, of course. And then you just let it dry, and you're good to go. So yeah, those are just some of the ways that I recommend you maybe take care of yourself, and of course your phone, just keeping it clean and everything, with everything that's going on around the world. It's just, like I said, just one way to help you guys to keep your phone nice and clean from everything that's going around us. So like I said, I did not want to make this type of video, but like I said, I think it's an important type of video that I should make, because it's important for everybody to stay healthy, of course, and we defeat this virus that's going on around the world. So that's it for now, guys. And as always, if you guys enjoy these type of videos, please do subscribe to the channel, because that does help a lot. And I will see you guys later. Peace.